Hi, Cathy Mitchell here with my new dump cake cookbook.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Jen. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cook the Book, and on this channel I make a recipe that I've never tried before from a cookbook that I may or may not have tried before. And this video we're going to be making another dump classic from our dump queen, Miss Cathy Mitchell, from her Dump Cakes and More book. Today we are going to be making buttermilk pie. I'm going to go ahead and leave that there so you can pause and write down any ingredients. The first step for this recipe is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. That's done. And now we need to pretty much combine all of our ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Okay. You need to combine 1.5 cups of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm just gonna use my tiny whisk here to combine those. Okay, now when it says to add the eggs, buttermilk, butter, lemon juice, and vanilla. So I'm gonna add my butter first, so I can use that bowl to crack my eggs into. 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon juice. I'm just going to use the bottled stuff. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we need to beat everything on medium heat. Oh my god. Now we need to beat everything on medium speed for 2 minutes or until smooth, and then we need to pour it into our 6-ounce graham cracker pie crust. Today we are going to be using the new Redmond hand mixer. Let's see how we like it. Go ahead and unbox this thing here. Brand new. Just got it. Little instructions. It's nice. It's got 5 speeds, even has a turbo button on there, and a 1-button eject for your beaters. It does come with 2 different types of beaters. Okay, now let's see how this works. So 2 minutes on medium speed with our new Redmond hand mixer. Pour this mixture into our crust here. Oh, I don't have a spatula to scrape down the sides. Hold on, let me grab a spatula. Okay, oh, shoot. That's fine, everything's fine. We're good, just a little bit went over the edge. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. Okay, so now we bake it for 40 minutes at 350 or until set, and we need to cool it completely on a wire rack. Refrigerate it for 2 hours or until ready to serve, and then serve it with whipped cream if desired. So let's bake this for 40 minutes at 350. Okay, our pie is fully cooled. It has been chilling in the fridge. Let's go ahead and cut into it and see what we think. Sorry, it's a little lopsided. My oven's a little lopsided. Oh well. Oh well. Oh, it's breaking apart. Oh no. Oh no. Well, it's not the prettiest slice of pie, but it smells delicious. Let's see what we think. Oh my god, that's good. Oh my god, that's good. That's really good. Really good. You guys should give it a try. So this wonderful pie was made possible by Miss Cathy Mitchell's recipe and the help of our Redmond hand mixer. If you guys are interested in a little discount, look down in the description box for a link. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click subscribe. Make sure you click that little bell icon. That way you know every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.